Sanibona bafethu uvane lo sokuphumela umbiko regarding iRichards Bay. iRichards Bay isikhiphe indaba la kuthiwa uchairman uSifiso Mbiyela useconfirmile ukuthi urejecte imali engango 70 million. Sinizwileke le indaba bafethu. Le offer le iqhamuke kwiclub adidlala kwiBetway Premiership. Le club le isirelegatiwe ifuna ukuthenga istatus seclub edlala kwiBetway Premiership. Bamnikeze u70 million. Bebefuna kahle kahle ukumnikeza u70 million. Yabo waphendula yena wathi to us it's a legacy. Yabo asikwazi ukuvele sidayise nje istatus seRichards Bay kanjalo sidayisele leyo club leyo. I'm sure abantu abaningi bazoyibuza ukuthi hayibo iyiphi leyo club leyo ebidlala kwiBetway Premiership. Cha, abaningi nyayazi bafethu. kwiBetway Premiership this season kube neteam eyodwa erelegatiwe bekuyini Cape Town City. Kahle kahle ke iRoyal AM yona ivele yakhishwa nje. iRoyal AM right now inenkinga, so iPSL decide ukuthi iqhubeke neleague with 15 teams. So iteam erelegatiwe bekuyini Cape Town City because they played ama playoffs. uJohn Committee usayiqhubeka lento yakhe yokufuna ukuthenga iclub la kwiBetway Premiership. Ufuna ukuthenga istatus sanoma yipi club. Yabona nje iclub elahlile uzofika kuyona ayofferishe imali. Yabo nje lokho ekhuphuka nje. U70 million akusiyona imali encane. Into engixakayo le mali ayisiphuma kangaka ibikuphi imali iCape Town City ishota ngabadlali. Ibikuphi imali? Because ngeke ungitshela ukwazi ukhipha u70 million right now but ubungenaso istriker esisolid ubungakwazi ukusithenga ngoJanuary esikwazi ukukora ama goals. Because le mali le u70 million imali le Orlando Pirates engayidinga ukusayina bani uFiston Mayele. uFiston Mayele striker lesedlalela ePyramids. Leyo mali Orlando Pirates ingayisebenzisa isayina uFiston Mayele. Wena John Committees le mali oyikhiphayo usofuna ukuthenga istatus seRichards Bay iphuma up leyo mali le. Kahle kahle lama team bafethu anayo imali. Kuyikona ukuthi imost yalama owners our owner awafuna ukukhipha imali. These guys they have imali. They have imali yokuchallenger ama team manje ngoPirates or Sundowns or Kaizer Chiefs lapho phezulu, but they don't want to release imali to buy quality players. They want to reshuffle these old players abadlala kwiBetway Premiership. Baloke nje be recycle labadlala sebebadala. Kanti leyo nto ayisebenzi bafethu. Ngeke isebenze. Leyo nto kwakuyimethod yakudala. Right now sekukhona abafana abancane abashisa kakhulu. Labo bafana abancane labo bazokwazi ukuyisiza iclub. Uzokhipha u70 million kodwa uhlile ukuthenga abadlali abayiquality. That is the reason why iCape Town City yehlathini. That is the reason why. Yabo lento yenziwe iCape Town City umsangano nje bafethu angifuna uqhama manga. Because mina ngikhumbula kahle uTim Msukazi I did a video regarding issue yeCape Town City noTim Msukazi. Yabo uTim Msukazi ushilo wempela ukuthi cha akavumi nje ukuthi iTS Galaxy idayiswe istatus sayo sidayiselwe iCape Town City. Yabo akhona ke ama team la kwiBetway Premiership asengcupheni ukuthi athengelwe istatus sawo. Mhlambe May week azovuma. Yabo angisho ukuthi azothengwa istatus sawo lo ma team, but ke awuthi ngingenza example Marumo Gallants. I don't think Marumo Gallants angazi kodwa angasheshe ngikhulume, but Marumo Gallants bafethu I feel like le team le ayiwiki kakhulu izovela ivume inkosi yami ukuthi ithengelwe istatus sayo. Enye team iOrbit College yabo they were recently promoted team yale Northwest, but I don't think bona bazovele bavume nje kanjalo because bafuna ukudlala nabo. Yabo bafuna ukuzodlala, so I don't think bazovuma, but right now yabo iMarumo Gallants Marumo Gallants but ngangitshela ama comments bafethu nizizwa kanjani ngale indaba lezi ukuthi iCape Town City isaqhubeka ifuna ukuthenga istatus la kwiBetway Premiership. Abafuni ngempela ukuyehlathini because maybe ehlathini bazolahlekelwa ama sponsors amaningi kakhulu.